Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up user roles and invite users in Zoho Books. This process is essential for managing who has access to your financial data and ensuring that each user has the appropriate level of access for their role. First, sign into your Zoho Books account, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Books website, then click the sign in button at the top right corner. For convenience, you can sign in with Google by selecting your account. This can speed up the login process. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard and click on Settings. Scroll down until you find the Users and Roles section. Here, click on Users to view the current list of users and their assigned roles. Next, focus on the top right corner and click Invite User. A form will appear prompting you to enter the details for the new user. Start by typing the name of the individual you want to invite, followed by their email address. Double-check this email for accuracy, as the invitation and future communications will be sent here. Now it's time to assign a role. Zoho Books provides various predefined roles with different levels of access and permissions. Choose a role that fits the responsibilities of the new user within your organization. Finally, click Send to dispatch the invitation. The user will receive an email inviting them to join your Zoho Books account with the specified role. And that's it. A straightforward and efficient way to manage user roles and invitations in Zoho Books, allowing your team to collaborate effectively while keeping your financial data secure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Zoho Books tutorials and tips.